Hello everyone. Today we learn homophones with meanings. Sun,
The star in the sky.
sun,
A boy child.
sea,
A large body of water.
sea,
To look with eyes.
one,
The number one.
one,
Past of win.
two,
The number two.
two,
Also.
flower,
A colorful plant pot.
flower,
Powder used for cooking.
air,
Two things together.
air,
A fruit.
right,
Correct.
right,
Make words.
blue,
A color.
blue,
Past of blow.
here,
To listen.
here,
In this place.
tail,
Back part of an animal.
tail,
A story.
night,
Dark time.
night,
A brave soldier.
meet,
To see someone.
meet,
Food.
road,
A path for cars.
road,
Past of ride.
week,
Not strong.
week,
7 days.
plane,
Simple.
plane,
An airplane.
hole,
An empty space.
hole,
Complete.
buy,
Get with money.
buy,
A good buy.
bear,
A big animal.
bear,
Without cover.
sail,
A small room or phone.
sail,
Give for money.
mail,
Letters.
mail,
A boy or man.
peace,
Calm.
peace,
Apart.
stair,
Steps.
stair,
To look hard.
hour,
Time.
hour,
Belonging to us.
band,
A music group.
band,
Not allowed.
for,
Used with reason.
for,
The number 4.
rain,
Water from sky.
rain,
Horse rope.
brake,
Stop a car.
brake,
To spilled.
deer,
Loved one.
deer.
An animal.